solution was with 227 or OD228.
That is OD227.
Thank you. You guys have now OD228 in your possession?
There will be no 228 for us phase.
That's just fine because the difference is
1 minute to entry.
Within spitting distance.
Affirmative.
The vehicle will switch antennas shortly. We'll have a short dropout when that occurs in the tones. It's switching to a tilted antenna that will be used through entry.
Right, 30 seconds to entry. As we come up on entry, we'll expect a 2 or 3 second outage in the X-band signal as we switch from the PLGA to the TLGA.
We're switching to the TLGA. Signal's dropped. And it's...
We just saw the signal drop. That indicates we changed antennas.
We're seeing heartbeat tones again after the switch. Things are looking good. We got tones back again. Coming up on entry. Vehicle reports entry interface. At this time, it'll begin pressurizing the propulsion system to increase the thrust of the system. It'll use that for all the maneuvering in the atmosphere we're about to do.
Back to heartbeat tones.
We are standing by for guided start and the start of guided entry.
Nav can see the entry in the atmosphere in the Doppler.
We are beginning to feel the atmosphere as we go in here. The vehicle has just reported via tones that it has started guided entry. At this time, the vehicle is beginning to steer its way to the target. It is starting its first bank reversal. First bank reversal complete. We have seen peak deceleration. We've passed through peak heating and peak deceleration. It is reporting that we are seeing Gs on the order of 11 to 12 Earth Gs.
Flight GDSA.
GDSA flight go.
We are processing data from Odyssey.
Bank reversal 2 is starting. We are now getting telemetry from Odyssey.
All right.
Bank reversal 2 complete.
Copy. Bank reversal 2 complete.
Thanks.
Standby flight. We have a connection, but we actually do not have any data yet.
Copy.
We can expect some intermittent contact at this time as the signal gets increases to respectable levels.
There we go. We are now seeing
and we have our TDPs.
Okay, copy.
And visualization is updated.
We have entered heading alignment.
Very good.
At this time, Curiosity is no longer trying to control how far it's flying downrange and is just heading directly for the target.
End of range control, air used minus 1.2 kilometers.
Minus 1.2.
1.2. Okay.
The EDL team is reporting that that things look pretty good at the end of range control. We have converged a lot of the error, and we should be heading toward the target.
Flight EDL, TDS warning is okay.
Copy.
Power none.
We are seeing a tone from
the 1 gigahertz.
indicating that we have seen heating on the heat shield through the Medley instrument. Everything looks fine. This is as expected. During the setting alignment phase, we're flying almost horizontally like a plane. We're going about Mach 2.4 at an altitude of 17 kilometers or so. Vehicle's reporting heartbeat tones again, indicating that everything is fine during heading alignments. We are standing by for straighten up and fly right and parachute deploy. Vehicle's continuing to decelerate. We're down to about Mach 2. As a reminder, we should have parachute deploy around Mach 1.7. We're at 15 kilometers altitude.
We've begun entry balance mass jettison. The predicted mid
Stand by for parachute deploy.
downrange is 1.597 kilometers.
EDL ops, Odyssey Systems on EDL ops.
Parachute deploy. Parachute. Thrusters have been re-enabled. We will control our attitude on shoot. We are decelerating.
Risk mode under
About 10 kilometers
parachute
decelerated
are 20
and
to
descending.
30
We are at
degrees
150 meters per second.
Dynamics phase. Come back again with wrist mode dynamics.
Risk mode is nominal.
We are 9 kilometers and descending.
Active. Valid range.
Net filter converge with a velocity correction of 0.7 meters a second.
We've acquired the ground with the radar.
An altitude of 8 kilometers.
Beach has separated. We've found the ground.
Expand tones due to earth occultation as expected.
We're standing by to prime the Emily engines in preparation for powered flight. We're down to 90 meters per second at an altitude of 6.5 kilometers and descending.
Flight EDL, we've got some Tweedo warnings. It is in battle short mode, so I should power through them.
Director Earth Communications at this time. We may have lost it already. We're down to 86 meters per second at an altitude of 4 kilometers and descending. We've lost tones from Earth at this time. This is expected. We're continuing on Odyssey telemetry.
Ground solution equals minus 10.8 meters, vertical velocity of minus 82.8
We are priming
meters per second.
start enabled, standing by for back shell separation.
Signal to Odyssey is still strong.
We are in powered flight. We're at altitude of 1 kilometer descending, about 70 meters per second.
Signal to Odyssey remains
down to 50 meters per second, 500 meters in altitude. Standing by for sky crane.
Constant velocity accordion nominal, altitude error 5.9 meters.
We found a nice flat place. We're coming in ready for sky crane. Down to 10 meters per second, 40 meters altitude. Sky crane has started. Descending at about 0.75 meters per second as expected. Expecting bridle cut shortly.
Signal to Odyssey remains strong.
Tango Delta nominal.
Yep. EDL comm configuration.
Rim stable.
UHF telemetry.
Rim stable.
UHF is good.
Touchdown confirmed. We're safe on Mars. Time to see where our curiosity will take us.